if you've had your green card for 5 years, or just 3 if you're married to a US citizen, you're eligible to become a US citizen. And you can file up to 90 days early. But attorneys often charge $2,500 to $5,000 to prepare one form. A form you can complete yourself with the right guidance. The N-400 is 14 pages. Your background, residence, travel, and eligibility going back years. You need exact dates for every trip, every address, every employer. Most people don't have all that in one place, so they lose weeks digging for it. And the attorney still charges thousands. So before you answer a single question, MiVisaGuide gives you a free prep guide. 6 sections with checklists and time estimates telling you exactly what to gather. Need your travel dates? We show you the most reliable sources, passport stamps, airline confirmations, card statements, and how to request an official record from CBP if you need one. Each section includes practical pro tips that save you hours. Then we walk you through every section of the N-400, one question at a time, in plain language, not legal jargon. Our travel day calculator adds up your days outside the country and flags any trip long enough to matter. Our residence timeline checker catches unexplained gaps. It validates as you go, in English or Spanish. Filing the form is only half of it. You also have to pass the civics test and the interview. So your $99 comes with free Citizenship Test Prep, the 128 official USCIS questions, practice the smart way, plus an AI mock interview that asks you questions out loud in different officer voices so the real interview feels familiar. A $49 tool included free. MiVisaGuide is bonded and registered. A $50,000 bond in New York, $100,000 in California, and compliant in 45 states and the District of Columbia. And let's be clear about one thing. We're a document preparation service, not a law firm, and we don't give legal advice. If your case is complex, we'll tell you to see an attorney. Doing it alone is free, but one mistake can delay your citizenship by months. An attorney charges $2,500 to $5,000, and even they don't give you a prep guide or test prep. MiVisaGuide does for $99. The USCIS filing fee is separate and paid directly to USCIS. Start today at MiVisaGuide.com.